Hi everyone, Catherine Grill here. I'm the CEO and one of the founders of Neolth. And today I'm going to show you how to use the expert advice section in Neolth's community part of our app. So I'm going to share my screen and walk you right through it. So I am in the Neolth educator platform. I signed in at cloud.neolth.com. I went to the community section and you'll see there are two parts, expert advice and student stories. So right now I'm in expert advice. So these are going to be educational videos that are meant to help students learn about different health and wellness topics, as well as break down stigma. Now, the way that this works is there are different, what we would call content creators. You can almost think of it like YouTube, where throughout the month, there's new videos, there's new blogs that are being uploaded. Now, keep in mind that all of this content is moderated. So it's not like someone can just come on here and post whatever they want, but any information they're posting is really going to be screened by Neolth's team of behavioral health experts before it shows up on the platform. As you're just exploring and scrolling through, you can see different videos, things that might be recently added, for example, if you want to see what's new this month. Or you can keep scrolling down and you'll see different topics load on your screen. Some topic areas will have a lot of content, if that's an area where our content creators have been spending time. Some are newer topic areas that we're working on building up. To be able to see, how much content is really in each category. This is about general wellness and topics you can bring into the classroom. So some things like financial wellness, you'll see friends and peer support. It's really made to kind of walk you through that topic and have an expert guide you through. So as the teacher, you don't need to be an expert in this topic. You can use this content and have the experts in the video guide you and your students through that topic. So scrolling is great if you're just exploring, you have a little bit of extra time, you want to see what content is in the expert advice section. I love using these filters here on the left-hand side because I can quickly find what I'm looking for. So if there's a certain topic I'm doing, some of our schools are wanting to teach about drugs and alcohol. You can click right on that topic. You can see all the videos. You can click into a video, see a description, learn a little bit more about it, see who has made that content. You can either play the video or you can also scroll through and see that it's part of a series. So a lot of our videos, they're between 2 and 10 minutes long. You can watch as a one-off video or you can watch as an entire series. It's just up to you. If you don't want to scroll by topic, some of our students especially love searching by experts. There's a content creator that they really like, that they want to see more of their content. So you can click in, by name, find that person, look for multiple people, and see all of the content that they've made. Again, watch a one-off video or scroll through. You'll be able to see how long each video is, which is great if you're planning these in the classroom. You can also use our length of time filter here on the side. And you'll notice that some of our content is written. So if you click into it, it will look like a blog that you or your students can read. You can, if you know what you're looking for, use the search bar on the top to look for something specific. Just type it in, hit enter. You'll see content around whatever you search for pop up. If there's something you really like, you can hit the star, you can favorite it. And you'll see all of your favorite videos pop up here on the favorites tab. So if you want to kind of save things, be able to find them really quickly next time, the favorites is a good way to do that. So this video gave you a quick overview about how to use the expert advice section on the Neolth app. There are so many different videos and blogs that are meant to educate students about mental health and wellness and to reduce stigma. There's new content being released every month. And in another video, I'll show you how to use the student story section. So I hope you enjoy our expert advice section and we'll see you next time.